Hello and welcome to Bridges iCloud. My name is Tony Kaigua, and I'm happy to welcome you to this Enterprise Asset Management training course. I would like to begin by giving a brief introduction about myself in terms of education and professional background. I hold undergraduate degrees in mechanical engineering and computer information systems and an MBA with concentration in information systems. I have over 25 years experience in maintenance and reliability field, where I have held various roles from shop floor technician to senior technology architect. Throughout my career spanning over 25 years, I've had the privilege of working in various industries, among them food processing, building services, downstream oil and gas, consulting, pharma, biopharma, and mission critical facilities such as data centers, among others. I have led several functional and technical projects related to enterprise asset management systems such as Maximo, SAP, and Hexagon, among others. I also hold several professional certifications such as CMRP, which is Certified Maintenance Reliability Professional, CRL, which is Maintenance and Reliability Leader, Lean Six Sigma, SAP Implementation Associate, and AWS Cloud Architect, among others. Now that you know how I qualify to be a trainer for this course, let me give a brief high-level summary of what this course is all about. This will be a comprehensive SAP plant maintenance module training. The goal is to deliver practical SAP asset management training, focusing on both functional and technical skills. The skills that I'm going to teach in this course are in high demand today and are essential for the successful implementation and management of SAP asset management projects. The training is designed for beginner to advanced level technical and functional practitioners, and some of the roles that will benefit from this course include maintenance technicians, planners, schedulers, maintenance supervisors, and reliability engineers, just to name a few. So, what's in it for me? By the end of this training, I want to equip you with valuable SAP skills that are highly sought after in today's job market. Additionally, you will gain the proficiency required to navigate and assist your organization or clients in setting up and configuring SAP PM environment to support maintenance and reliability excellence initiatives. I'm super excited to teach this course and look forward to embarking on this learning journey with you. See you in the next video.